Welcome everyone. Today, we'll talk about how to break down big business problems into small automations and how to spot tasks that are worth automating. The goal is simple: make work faster, easier, and less error-prone. When we hear the phrase business problem, it sounds heavy. But really, it's just something that slows down work or lowers efficiency. For example, imagine a company gets hundreds of customer inquiries every day. Employees have to open each email, forward it to the right department, and manually reply. That's slow, boring, and mistakes can easily happen. Instead of treating this as one giant headache, we break it into small, easy-to-automate steps. Just like solving a big puzzle piece by piece. Steps to break down a business problem. The first step is to understand the problem clearly. In our example, the real issue is delayed replies because staff handle everything manually. Second, split into smaller steps. For customer inquiries, it could look like this. Customer fills out a form. The system saves details in a database or CRM. An automated email confirms receipt. The support team gets notified. If it's a common question, an auto reply is sent. Notice, each step can be automated separately. You don't have to build one huge solution all at once. Next, check dependencies. For example, you can't send a reply unless you've captured the inquiry. Then pick the right tools. Forms, Google Forms or Typeform. Data storage, Google Sheets or a CRM. Email replies, Gmail automations using N8N or Zapier. The trick is to test each small automation separately. First capture inquiries, then automate replies, and finally connect them together into one smooth workflow. Now, not everything should be automated. The sweet spot is repetitive tasks. The best candidates are those tasks that repeat daily, weekly, or monthly. Eat up a lot of time if done manually. Follow clear rules with no complicated decision-making. A good check is to ask yourself, do I copy-paste the same data often? Do I send the same type of emails again and again? Do I check information from multiple places repeatedly? If yes, you've just spotted automation potential. Common examples. Here are some everyday tasks that automation loves. Data entry from forms to spreadsheets. Sending thank you or welcome emails. Updating CRM after sales calls. Generating weekly or monthly reports. Sending reminders or team notifications. Tracking deadlines or missed tasks. If you do something more than 3 times a week, chances are a tool can handle it for you. But remember, not all automations are equal. If automating something only saves 5 minutes a week, maybe it's not worth the setup. But if it saves 1 hour per day for 5 employees, that's a game changer. So, we prioritize high-impact tasks first, the ones that save the most time and create the most value. Simple example, school attendance. Let's make it simple with a school example. Every morning, teachers call out names, students say present, and teachers mark attendance. This takes about 10 minutes every day. Imagine switching to a digital system. Students tap their ID card when they enter, and the system automatically records attendance. Suddenly, those 10 minutes are saved every single day. Multiply that over a school year, and the saved time is huge. That's the power of automation, small improvements that add up. To wrap up, big business problems don't have to stay big. When we break them into small automations, they become manageable. And by spotting repetitive, rule-based tasks, we find the best opportunities to save time and effort. Start small, build step by step, and soon you'll have workflows that run smoothly in the background, giving people more time to focus on meaningful work. Thank you.